Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do DIY summer facial at home. This facial will remove your suntan, sunburn, hyperpigmentation and other sun related problems and makes your skin all clear, clean and bright. So you only need natural ingredients for this facial. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. All facials start with cleanser, so we will make cleanser for our facial. If you have any makeup on your skin, then make sure to remove it first and then use this cleanser. Now take a small bowl and add around 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix both ingredients well until it gets into a smooth paste. And now our cleanser is ready to use. Apply this cleanser on your face and gently start massaging it for good 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, just wash it off with normal water. Gram flour is excellent in removing suntan. It instantly removes our sunburn, suntan, acne and oiliness and makes our skin all clear, bright and glowing. Whereas milk deeply cleanses our skin, nourishes our skin and keeps it all day clean and moisturized. Next step is face exfoliation. For that, take a half sliced tomato and sprinkle around half teaspoon of sugar on it and spread it equally all around. And now gently squeeze and scrub this tomato on your face. Make sure to gently scrub this for good 3 to 4 minutes. If your skin is sensitive, then make sure to patch test this before doing this facial. Tomato is rich in antioxidant lycopene, vitamin A and vitamin C, which removes suntan, sunburn and acne and instantly brightens the skin. Whereas sugar deeply exfoliates and removes dead skin cells from our skin. After 3 to 4 minutes, wash your face with normal water. Third step is face massage. For that, take an ice cube and wrap it around in a tissue paper like shown in the video. And slowly start massaging this on your face. Make sure to quickly move the ice cubes around your face. Do this step for good 30 to 40 seconds. Regular ice massage improves our blood circulation, removes suntan, sunburn, pimple and acne, and it also brightens the complexion. After massaging it for good 30 to 40 seconds, allow this ice cube water to dry by itself and we'll move on to our next step. Next step is face pack. For that, take a bowl and add in 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder and add 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well and our face pack is ready to use. Apply this face pack on all over your face and allow it to dry for good 15 to 20 minutes. This face pack instantly removes all the dirt and impurities from our skin and makes our skin all clean and youthful. After 20 minutes, wash your face with normal water and pat it dry. Last step is moisturizing. For that, I am using aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel or ready-made aloe vera gel. Here I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel. Take some aloe vera gel and apply it on your face and gently massage it until your face absorbs all the gel. For best result, do this facial once in a week. Do this facial at your home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video for more awesome videos.